Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will discuss about lesson number 1, Introduction to Photoshop CS3 part 3. Different tools of Photoshop are cropping tool, painting tool, gradient tool, drawing tool, custom shape tool and transforming object. So first we discuss about cropping an image. The crop tool is used to remove unwanted area of an image. The steps to crop on an image are: open the image, click on the tools panel. The shape of the mouse pointer changes to the crop tool cursor. Now place the mouse pointer on the image. Click and drag to select a rectangular area that you want to keep. Then release the mouse pointer. The crop mark will appear with the handle on the corner and a side. This area you want to retain is highlighted. Double click inside the marquee to crop away the portion you have not selected. Here given the figure about select the portion to keep and crop the image. Now painting tools. Adobe Photoshop provides us with different painting tools such as a brush tool, pencil tool, color placement tool, history brush tool, gradient tool, paint bucket tool, etc. So first one is brush tools. The brush tool work like ordinary brush and create a smooth stroke of color. The steps to use the brush tool are: open the image, use any tools to select white background. Let us use the magic wand tool there. Click on the brush tool in the tools panel. So here given the figure about when you click on brush tool, it will provide a sub option. By selecting any one option from it and drag on the image, you will see this type of image. See here figure number 7.19. In this way we can apply a brush stroke on the image. Now click the arrow beside the brush command in the option bar. Click on the brush style of your choice. Click on set a foreground color in the tools panel. The color picker palette appears. See here given a color picker. Choose a color you want to from the color picker palette and click OK. See here given the button. After selecting a color, then after click on OK button. So click and drag the mouse pointer on the image to draw a stroke of the select color. Now gradient tools. Gradient is the fill consisting of two or more color blending together. The gradient tool is used to fill selected area or an entire layer with a gradient. Steps to use a gradient tools are here given the step how we can use a gradient tool and apply a gradient on the image. So first of all you have to open an image, then click a gradient tool in the tools panel. From the option bar, select a gradient type from the linear, radial, reflected and diamond. Click the gradient sample bar in the option bar. The gradient editor dialog box appears. See here given. Choose any of the gradient from the preset box or create a new gradient using the gradient bar. Drag and release the mouse in the image. The selected area will be filled with the gradient. Now next one is drawing tools. Adobe Photoshop has a collection of drawing tools: rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line, custom shape, etc. Here given the figure about it. Now custom shape tool. Using the custom shape tools you can draw shaping other than the basic geometric shape. This tool has a collection of predefined shape like flower, moon, arrow, leaves, etc. To draw a shape with the custom shape tool, the steps are: select the custom shape tool, click the arrow beside the shape option in the option bar and select the required shape. Then after click and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Here given the custom shape tool figure, you can select any one from it. Now transforming objects. You can also scale, rotate, skew, distort and apply a perspective to an image in Photoshop. You can flip the image vertically or horizontally too. The steps are: select the image or part of the image you want to the transform. Then after select edit menu, then select transform option, and then after select scale. Do one of the following according to the option you choose in the transform. So first one is the scale. When you position the mouse pointer over a sizing handle, the pointer become a double arrow. Drag the size handle to change the size, press a shift key. As you drag the corner handle, if you want to scale the image proportionally. Now rotate. When you place the mouse pointer over a corner handle, it takes a shape of curved two sides of arrow. Click and drag the handle, rotate the image. Skew. Here given the options about it. So first one is a skew. Drag a side handle to skew the image. Distort. Drag the corner handle to stretch the image. Perspective. Drag a corner handle to apply a perspective to the image. Flip horizontally, flips the image horizontally or flip the image vertically as per your requirement. Here given the figure about it, how we can vertically or horizontally transform. Then after press enter to apply the transformation on the image. In this way we can transfer the image in the Photoshop.